You have come to the right place. If you want to work 10 times faster, save your precious time so that you can boost your productivity. In today's video, you are going to be learning 5 Figma tips and tricks that will save you time. Number 1, batch insert pictures. There are times where you have multiple cards like this, whereby you need to insert multiple images. So instead of doing it one by one, as you can see, we have 6 cards. So there's a way you can do it all at once. Now, to get it done, right click, then you are going to see plugin, then click on manage plugins. Then you have to search for pexels. This is the plugin we are going to be using. Click on it. Then you are going to search for portraits. Click on search. Click on insert random image. As you can see, the picture has been inserted. So this is how you can insert multiple pictures all at once in Figma. Number 2, object spacing size. There are times whereby you need to know the spacing in between different elements or objects in your design. So now there is a way you can get it done faster. Select the first one, then you press the Alt key and hover on the second section where you want to check the distance in between them. As you can see here, currently we have 100 pixel spacing in between the top section and the bottom section. Likewise, take for instance, if you want to know the distance in between this card and this heading here, so you can click the card and hold the Alt key as usual, then you hover on the heading section. As you can see, we have 129 pixel spacing in between them. So that is how you can use the keyboard shortcut Alt in order to know the sizing in between different objects or elements in your design. Number 3, design assets and plugin. If you quickly need to use an icon or picture or any other design assets in your design, the keyboard shortcut you can use is by pressing Ctrl and the / on your keyboard. As you can see, you have all assets, you have assets here, and you also have plugins as well. So it makes it easier for you to get any of your design assets or plugin. Any plugin you wanted to use, you can simply search for it. Take for instance, if I need a logo plugin, I can search for logos, whereby I will have multiple logos that I can use. So it's going to bring some of the logos plugin that you can use. There are a lot of them here. Just feel free to choose any one that you like to use. Take for instance, if I click on this beta logos, it's going to load it. So you can search for any logo you wanted to use. As you can see here, all these big company logos are here. As you can see, like Adidas, Adobe, Airbnb, and the likes, even Amazon, Apple. So this is how you can get a lot of graphic assets as well as plugin in Figma. Number 4, duplicating an object. There are times where you need to duplicate a particular object in your design. So to get it done in a faster way, there is a shortcut you can use. This one is not having an icon, while this one is having an icon. I wanted to duplicate this one without an icon. To get it done, I'm going to select it, then I'm going to press Ctrl D on the keyboard. As you can see, it has been duplicated. So if you need multiple copies, you are going to continue pressing Ctrl D on your keyboard until you have the number of copies you want. So that is how you can duplicate an object in Figma. Number 5, working with shapes. There are times whereby you need to manipulate a shapes that you wanted to use for your design. Take for instance, if you want to manipulate this ellipse, you have to select it first. Then you are going to see this tiny dot. Click on it and drag it like this to the bottom, or you can drag it to the top as well. So as you can see that it is changing. So if you want to convert it like this, you can also hold this tiny dot in the center, then you drag it inside like this. As you can see, what you have been able to convert this ellipse into. If these Figma tips and tricks has been helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section below which of these tips and tricks has been helpful to you or that you really like to be using in your design, or if you have been using any one of them before, let me know in the comment section below. Please share this video with your loved ones. Turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be updated. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.